presentation demonstrates an alternative method of determining information requirements that concentrates on helping users identify their needs more effectively. Our first step is to select a decision maker and an expert. Our decision maker is a 23-year-old first-year graduate student who is considering crucial decisions which will need to be made in the next 6 to 12 months. He has chosen as her expert Roberto Plebe, who has had a great deal of experience in decision analysis. He suggests that they use a needs assessment method developed in the early 90s to help them in their decision making. The expert asks Ms. Estrada to select 3 future issues to focus on. The decision maker identifies the following. 1. Should she look for a job in the nonprofit sector? 2. Should she apply for a PhD program? And 3. Should she buy a house? The expert examines the questions and determines that more information is needed for each issue. The decision maker is asked to provide at least 4 pieces of information per decision, which would significantly reduce ambiguity. The table displays the 12 items identified by the decision maker. The expert then classified the information into a distinct and non-redundant list of items. Ms. Estrada, the decision maker, and Mr. Plebe, the expert, proceeded to assign a score from 0 to 7 to the items. 1 signifying the information has a low priority, and 7 means the item is essential to the issue. The table displays the scores given by the decision maker and the expert. Once this information was ranked, an average and range was calculated. The final step was to divide the information items into 4 categories. The essential information needed for all important issues, the rapid collection items, which are items one plans to collect quickly when needed, the periodic collection items, this is a set of information items that are unimportant for most of the decisions, however, they may be vital to a few, and the low priority items, which have a low average importance and moderate to low range, and thus are rarely used. The table identifies salary, reputation, duration, and cost as essential information items, funding and house conditions as rapid collection items, and location and schedule as periodic collection and low priority collection items, respectively. Thus, we have identified the core information items that will assist Ms. Estrada in making her upcoming decisions. The presentation demonstrates an alternative method of determining information requirements that concentrates on helping users identify their needs more effectively. In our example, the expert was experienced in decision analysis. Thus, it is vital for the expert to have vision and be able to efficiently drive the process.